Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis, and one of the previous annotations I had put in place with this trend line here to just help gauge and monitor the fact that the price had been, slowly working its way back upwards. Unfortunately, though, after today's price movement, this trend line here has, the price is violated down below it. Now, does that mean that the entire chart's epically destroyed? I'm not saying that at all, but just from a context perspective, as I go forward, just realize that that is going to be currently, the environment here that the price is experiencing is that it's now broken down through that trend line. But I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that because I just don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. Now, overall, like I said, everything is still hanging in there. I mean, now that would all change if the price comes down to here to that secondary green line right there, and then we're to blast down through 2280. At that point, yeah, like I said, that would change up the landscape quite a bit. But just because it broke through the trend line, the reason why it's not, a massively nasty move or anything like that is because the price is still up above that level right there. But overall, though, it's just one of those dynamics to keep in mind, but also continue to watch 2280. Preferably speaking, though, the level that you're going to want to see hold now going forward is right up here at the lows from today, which is at the 23.6. That wasn't a very straight line. Try that again. 23.65. In fact, I'll change that to green again to represent support. But 23.65 is the preferable level, meaning if the price can stay above there, that would be the best case scenario. But if it doesn't, not the end of the world for the reasons discussed, because the price would still be up above 2280. But again, if the price drops below 2280, that's where, the general kind of flavor of the chart, if you will, could potentially start to turn pretty sour. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, level that I'm just curious about now, which I've talked about in past videos, but right up there around $25, that seems to be the main battleground to watch moving forward. But yeah, today, not the greatest day. But again, it's not like the price totally fell apart or anything like that. But those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.